Okay, welcome back to I Cook You Clean. I don't basically have a recipe for sweet potato pie. You guys saw me do a sweet potato pie for Thanksgiving. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I don't really have a recipe for sweet potato pie. I am going to write one down though. So, what you need for sweet potato pie, you need sugar, evaporated milk, vanilla, nutmeg, butter or margarine, eggs, salt, pie crust. I have 5 sweet potatoes. So we're going to just create a recipe today. So I can just have one recipe. I did have one, but it got misplaced. I made one for Thanksgiving, so here you guys go. Write down what we need. We need sugar. We need eggs, butter or margarine. We need vanilla. We need nutmeg.